Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about the important information or the criteria for the CEX.io airdrop or the CEX.io airdrop, whatever you are calling it. And it is long overdue because we know that we have been farming this airdrop for quite some time now, like in the days of tap swap as well as hamster combat. This was like late last year or early last year. That was the time that CX.io was also being initiated as one of those Telegram airdrops. So now is their final information in terms of their airdrop listing. So their TGE is around the corner. All right. So if you haven't been farming yours, I'm not surprised, because someone that actually faded it because of the long time. You are going to be able to do the TGE right now so that the project will finalize, and that is what I'm trying to be able to tell you in this video. I'm going to show you, one, how you can be able to, what are the requirements. Two is how you can be able to do these requirements. So we're going to do it together. No matter if you have been farming the airdrop, just follow along. So let's get started. The first thing here is, this is 22 hours ago. As you already seen it on this image, the important announcement in terms of the pre-qualification airdrop that is coming soon. Mind you that CX.io at some point actually did their snapshots. They have been doing snapshot for quite some time, but every single thing is getting towards its final completion right now. So there are four things actually that you can be able to do for this particular airdrop. So the first thing is to be able to, one, is to be able to verify your email address, which is right here. That's the first thing. Then verify your Telegram ID, which is the second, as well as connect your wallet if you haven't. All right, if you haven't, then the sexy code that you need to be able to do. So they are using their platform for the launch, as for the airdrop. That's Be Sexy, which is this, as you already seen it right here. The Be Sexy will be shared details from instruction for completing these steps in terms of their social task. Then you can be able to join the portal via their website, so don't miss out. So there are two actually ways for you to be able to join this portal. You can either decide to join it here, that's from this place, or you can be able to do it in app. So basically we might have to do it but for the two of them, but the most important is still the one from the Telegram in app. That's the first thing, but you can still follow their instruction here just to be sure. Okay, so this important information is here because I know a lot of people faded it. Okay, a lot of people faded it. I will not lie to you, I also faded Sex.io. At some point I stopped mining. I couldn't mine again because of the time, and moved on to other projects that actually paid and did not pay, right? So it's an understandable excuse. Every single thing related to Telegram airdrops have been behaving somehow, and we have actually moved on to testnet as well as the DePIN airdrops, which I know that they have more promises because of the heartbreaks that Telegram airdrops have given to people. But nonetheless, we are still moving forward. So here is, let's just go to our CX.io. Okay, I'll just go here on my CX.io app and tap it. So this is my CX.io. I'll join the app. That's create the app again and join the app. It has been quite some time since I opened it. I'm not going to lie. My score is extremely poor, but it doesn't matter. Okay, so if you click on the airdrop section on top, mind you, the airdrop section on top here, if you click on it, it will be able to load the same portal for you. Okay, able to load the same portal for you. So you can just click on get started here. So those four steps that you are being shown, which is your email address, that's verify your email, there's verify your Telegram ID. So you need to be able to put this as your email. Okay, so I'm going to put my email right now. Once you put your email, they'll send you a verification code, which you just need to copy and paste right here. Okay, so I pasted my code and it is now successful. Okay, so I pasted my code, it's now successful. Then now you are registered fully and you'll be notified for further public code. To get exclusive early access, enter an invitation code. All right, so I'm going to drop my own invitation code because I'm using someone's own. I'm going to drop my own invitation code, that the one that you are seeing on the screen at the moment. That is the one that you need to be able to impute here. If you have, you can be able to get your friend's own. But if you don't have, you can use the one that is currently showing on the screen right here and be able to enter the code. Okay, So I've inputted the code and this has now actually worked out for me. So the next thing that you need to be able to do is to use this code that you're seeing. I'm going to put it in the description. That's the one that has this YK4 EXZYD. I'm going to put it in the description so you can be able to do it. So we now have our account that if you check the criteria back again, all right, this is my email for the verification. We now have the verified email. We now have the verified email. We now have the Telegram ID. We have also connected our wallet. Then the next is to enter our CS code, which we have done actually, because in connection, your wallet is inside the Telegram app, not external. Okay, so if that is the case, then we need to be able to go just to be able to check. This is every single thing related to it. Okay, so we have actually connected almost every single thing for this particular airdrop. So if you minimize, we can go here, then go to your convert section, go to here. So you can be able to use this thing. So if you haven't completed the task, you can be able to just complete the entire task and just wait for the airdrop. So basically, in terms of connection of the wallet, that's applying and submitting your email address is just mostly enough, and getting your own referral links so that people can use it, or you can just do the entire activities and complete the required quest. So basically, that's every single thing related to the information about cex.io. The airdrop is all around the corner, okay, and it's just almost time for every single thing to finalize. So do well not to miss it. Although I don't know what it will cook, whether it will be profitable or whether it will not be profitable. It depends on them. And my name is Odis Profit. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on post notification, as well as join Telegram channel. Link in the description. Once again, I wish you well. Thanks.